Welcome to Python Basics course for beginners. When you decide to learn Python language, you made a great choice. About Python. Python is a computer programming language. It's used widely in data science, AI, software testing, web development, etc. Good news is that it's free and easy to learn, even if you do not have past experience. This course is designed to learn Python easily, quickly, and systematically. Why learning Python basics? Once you start working in any company, you can easily find out how Python is used in that company. Using your Python basics skill, you can easily catch up your work. You might just edit existing codes or make new ones based on existing program. Good knowledge of Python basics will bring more opportunities. It will help you learning advanced Python topics faster. Read our course materials more and remember the code writing rules. And of course, practice. Practice a lot. While learning from this course, there are too many free resources and students often get lost in many content. Many online videos do not focus on real coding job related examples. This course is designed to learn Python basics using examples from computer-related work experience. In this course, you will learn Python step by step and gradually move to next topic. If you have access to course PDF files, start learning from the first PDF document, and then second, and so on. Many course files are in PDF format. You can read using a PC or your cell phone easily. Why I designed this course? Many years ago, I tried to learn Python from free YouTube videos, books, ebooks, websites. I was lost. I couldn't improve myself. I wasted time searching through many videos and reading materials just to find easy to follow content. I want to help students saving time and start learning fast. The course content is designed as a presentation PDF. Actually, it was a presentation and I converted into PDF so that even Python tutors could use these PDFs for their students. In this course or in these classes, I might be using presentations, but when I share them, I normally convert it into PDF, okay? Learn extra Python modules. Python basic course will cover most common data types, setup, and logic operations. You can read and write codes. Python also has a huge number of modules. After learning basic course, you will move into some advanced topics and will some useful modules. These extra Python modules are selected especially to add value to your Python skill. Please subscribe. If you are trying to learn Python and found this course, you came to the right place. Give yourself a try and follow this course. I'm using same course materials that I used in many Zoom classes. Since original classes were very long, sometimes over an hour, I made short videos. These are easy to follow, even better with updated examples and contents. And sometimes it's a bit different when you're making videos without any students because you're actually trying to focus on the slides. And the classes are different because in the class, I have students, someone asking questions, I'm answering. Here, I'm just by myself, okay? If you found my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that YouTube could notify you when I post a new video. Thank you. Thank you for selecting this Python course. I wish you have a very successful career. Bye. Wait for my next video. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.